Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate on the Bronx 3. First, let's prepare. You'll need to identify the exact items you want to multiply, whether it's rare resources or valuable gear. Make sure your inventory has at least one of the desired item. A stable internet connection is crucial for online methods to prevent desynchronization issues. We'll cover the precise steps to execute this method effectively and safely, ensuring you maximize your gains without any hitches. The core method involves a precise sequence of actions. First, select the item you wish to duplicate from your inventory. Then, initiate a quick drop while simultaneously opening your inventory menu. As the item leaves your inventory, immediately perform a quick save. After saving, reload your game. You should find the item still in your inventory and a duplicate on the ground. This timing is critical, often requiring practice to perfect. Before you begin, always back up your save file. This is a crucial step to prevent any loss of progress if something goes wrong. Be mindful that rapid item manipulation can sometimes lead to game instability or even crashes. Not all items are susceptible to this method. Some unique or quest-related items might be protected. Also, consider the impact on your game's economy. Excessive duplication can diminish the challenge and fun. To maximize your duplication efforts, consistent practice is key to mastering the timing. Establish a clear, designated drop zone in your game world. This makes collecting your duplicated items much more efficient. If playing online, performing this method in a private session can prevent other players from interfering or accidentally picking up your items. Once you've got the hang of it, you can repeat the process multiple times to generate substantial quantities of your desired items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.